In this video, we're going to show you how to search and filter in the CazVid Employment app to find the perfect job for you. Open the CazVid app and in the menu at the bottom, click on Jobs. Here, you can swipe to view the posted job listings. Job listings may either be a video listing that you can watch, or it may be a text listing. Click on the description to see the complete job details. At the top, you can switch either between the nearest jobs to you or view the newest jobs posted. Click Filter to refine your job search. You can search by remote jobs only. You can also search by location, language, job category, or by keyword. Click Advanced Search to narrow your jobs further by job title, user, or employment type. Click Done and start swiping to view your results. Thanks for using the CazVid Employment app. Contact us if you have any questions and be sure to watch our other tutorial videos. Thanks and good luck.